Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about the 269 RKS by Coachmen, Apex. So this one also has the power tongue jack, as you know. It has your LP hookup right here. Then if you come around here, you have solar on the side, 20 amps, slam latch doors, pops open like that, and it stays up, and you can get all your goodies out of there. Okay, so the 269, folks, is about 5,700 pounds dry weight. Come on in. We'll start from the kitchen. So as you can see, like on my previous videos, has the gray stone microwave, nice counter space, which is very important. People love counter space in RVs. You have storage here, storage there, drawers, all kinds of stuff. 3-eye burner, stove. This have this really cool, awesome island right here. This is our domestic sink, and you have double sinks, so that's pretty good. Rinse and wash. Then you come over here, you have your nice size refrigerator with a nice size freezer for ice cream. Then you have a fridge for all the other goodies. Then if you come over here, this one has a really big closet. People go crazy about the closet because you can store all your stuff in here out the way. Then if you come in here, you have a nice glass shower. But I want you to look at these cubby holes right here for all your towels and things you need in the restroom. Has an AC vent. This is a nice AC vented unit. And look at the glass shower. Pretty nice. And a tall person could fit in here easily and take a nice shower and move around and stuff. Then if you look on this side for me real quick, lots of space in here for working and getting your stuff ready for the day. Okay, then if you come over this way, you have the dinette, the booth dinette with storage under here on both sides. You have the nice little pin lights here. Then you have a trifold bed here. So if you do have guests, this bed will fold all the way out to about right here. So if you have some guests come and they need a place to stay, they can stay either on that one or on this one. Both of these turn into beds. Then if you come into here, nice size bed, hanging closet. You have your heat is right there on the ground, and you have plug-ins on both sides. So if you have a CPAP machine or you want to hook a computer up or something like that, and the TV again turns around. So when your doors are closed, you just flip the TV around. Awesome. Okay. So folks, this is a really nice trailer, lightweight trailer. You'll love this trailer. It's made with Asdale composite. The walls are composite walls. Really safe, and is also a really nice trailer. So if you guys give me a call and I'll tell you all about it. 541-653-2818, the Ant-Man. Thank you.